friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my second episode of Inspiration Sundays, where I feature on my channel a lot of the Instagram accounts that I follow that I draw inspiration from. Again, I think that these women are just wonderful. They all have their own sense of style, their own sense of creativity, and I just think it's really important that we kind of share each other and uplift each other. And I just want to share all these accounts with you. So I'm gonna pick a different person every Sunday. Today we have Karen from One Cozy Room at a Time. And she and I have really started to become great friends. And she lives on Long Island. She has 2 daughters and she has a sweet little fur baby puppy dog named Frankie. And I just love her style. I love her creativity. She pairs things that I wouldn't normally pair together. And I've gotten a lot of inspiration and some great ideas from her. And I think that all of you will get some great ideas from her as well. So I'm going to link her channel down below. I am going to put a snapshot of it at the end of this video, just in case, so you can actually see our beautiful new friend. And I want you to go over there, give her some love, comment on this video, let me know how much you love her home too. And let's get this video started. Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Karen. I live on Long Island, New York, and welcome to my home. So just want to share some of my favorite places that I like to spend time in. This is my living room. This is my little entryway. I love to display bags and linens, baskets, dried flowers. Love to always have wicker baskets in my home. Always you'll see fresh or faux flowers and candles. Love to display them. This is where I spend a lot of my time, even though we're not using the fireplace now. I love to sit in the living room. I love to decorate it. As you can see, I love to use candles. And a lot of these items I've thrifted or just out and about when I'm shopping, I pick up new things. This is my fireplace mantel. Love, love decorating it. Here's a little piece from Home Goods. So my home flows from my living room to my kitchen to my den. So also love to add baskets with, as I said, blankets and pillows. Here are just some special items that I've picked up most recently. Still areas I need to style. This is a magnolia pail. I just haven't had a moment to style it. And as you can see, I do shop a lot. Here are some extra pieces that I have to style. I love coastal vibes, but I also just love vintage pieces. I love farmhouse. So again, little areas I have to still work on. But this is my living room area, which goes right into. So this was really fun styling. I switch it up every so often. This was my little coastal area with some coastal vibes. I just got some new furniture, a new rug. I love the flooring. When I bought the house, it's the heated floors, so in the winter it's like awesome. If you're cold, you have your heated floors. This I just thrifted. I thought this was so cute. Again, candles, love my candles, love my little new copper pieces. As I said, I love that it's open, so we kind of just move from room to room. So this is my den. This is where we really just hang out too a lot, just watch TV. I'm gonna take you outside. A little glimpse of my bedroom. But I do love my outside area, so I wanted to share it with you. I try to add tons of flowers every year, add more little pieces. This is a piece that I thrifted for $10 at the church sale. I keep all my flowers on there. Little planters I've picked up at like vintage sales. I just add some flowers. But my backyard is really cozy, lots and lots of flowers, my wicker sets, got my hot tub, which we enjoy going in. So as I said, this piece I also thrifted. And just add our flowers, and I just think it looks really cozy. The little backyard I really downsized from a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home when my girls left for college and got bigger and just don't need the space. So here is my outdoor patio area, which we really enjoy too. Just have to add some lights. You know, when it gets hot, we really don't come out too much, but we just love to be out here. So I'm going to take you one more time through my home. Again, I live on Long Island, New York. Oh, there's Frankie. My little buddy. His toys take up some space. I'll just give you one little more tour. My kitchen, I love to work there. To show you some pieces up here. I have pieces, as I said, I just honestly have nowhere to put since my house is smaller. But I do love this room.